This issue isn't specifically just about, the workers of Jackson County. It's about our community members.
Health and Human Services employee Angela Crothers has worked for Jackson County for over 20 years. She says as coronavirus concerns grew, the county didn't take the necessary steps to protect its employees initially.
The first communications that we received was that there would be a limit on sanitary, not just sanitary, like hand sanitizer, Clorox bleach wipes. I think that set off a lot of kind of fear in my department specifically.
The county employees union agrees. Since then, representatives say they've heard numerous complaints, including 6 to 8 OSHA complaints about working conditions at the county offices.
These are the folks who really are on the front lines in many ways in public health. They're front lines of the crisis and making sure the community is safe. They didn't do anything, we don't think, to proactively implement any procedures that were on behalf of the workers.
Crothers says a community justice employee even quit a few weeks ago after getting notice they may have been exposed to the virus outside of work. When they couldn't get adequate distancing from coworkers, Crothers says they quit their job. But she says that's just one instance that's concerning.
True. At the airport there, where there's been commuters that have tested positive, things like wearing masks is optional.
The county's human resources director says it's been a long process to get to where they are now, but it has taken steps to try to ensure protections for its staff.
Delivering services online wherever we can. But as you said, there are some areas, in a number of areas in the county, that cannot do that. We need to remain open where people can still come in and access their services.
She says with 17 different offices and hundreds of employees, that can look different for each person. The county has now created a frequently asked questions or FAQs page online to answer common concerns from employees. Examples include how employees can protect themselves and whether they can take sick time if they come in contact with a potential COVID-19 case.
In there, it tells employees what to do and supervisors on what the options are. There's very specific criteria for what qualifies for certain kinds of leaves.
Crothers and the union say it's not just for their benefit. By protecting its staff, the county will better protect all its citizens that interact with them on the job.
Because they're the ones who know what's at risk. They're the ones that are going to work every day, oftentimes risking the health of themselves and their families. And the only way they can keep the community safe is if they feel safe in their jobs.
In Medford, Devin Gooden, NBC5 News.